friends. I'm so happy to be with you. Soon, we're going to learn about the character trait kindness. Our helpers today will be Bobby and Jayla. Hello, Gray Squirrel. Thank you for putting kindness on the character tree for me today.
You're welcome. It's one of my favorite character traits. But Miss Sara?
What is it?
Some of the animals in our community are in need of homes and food. I wish I knew how to help them.
That is very kind of you to want to help. Today, we're going to learn about a young boy who shows a lot of kindness to people in need. Maybe his story will give you some ideas.
That sounds great, Miss Sara.
Kind people think about how others feel. They help people in need, and they're kind even when others aren't. Kindness is a very special character trait because it makes the world a nicer place and it makes people happier. Hello, Bobby and Jayla. Can you two tell me about a time you've shown kindness to someone in need? Yes, Bobby?
Miss Sara, I think kindness is awesome. I love firefighters, and I want to be one when I grow up because they show kindness to people and animals like every day. One time, I saw them save a cat in a tree. So, when my dad and I found a lost kitten in our yard, we showed it kindness by taking him in, feeding him, and playing with him. We named him Mr. Meowsy, and he's so happy now.
That's a great example of kindness, Bobby. Whenever there is a person or animal in need, there is always an opportunity for kindness and to make a difference. How about you, Jayla? Have you ever shown kindness to someone in need?
Well, last winter it made me really sad when I heard about kids not having warm jackets. So I decided to donate my jackets that I don't wear anymore so those kids could be warm. Was that kindness, Miss Sara?
That was kindness, Jayla. By donating your jackets, you helped kids in need. Friends, now let's learn about someone who has shown a lot of kindness to those in his community and around the world. His name is Jahkil Jackson, and he has a heartfelt desire to help those in need. When Jahkil was only 5 years old, he helped his aunt hand out food to the homeless in Chicago, Illinois. It made him very sad when he realized that not everyone had homes to sleep in or food to eat. So he knew he wanted to make a difference, and he wanted homeless people to know that the community cared about them. With the help of his family, Jahkil came up with a small solution that had a big impact. They started giving out blessing bags to those in need. Each blessing bag included wipes, socks, deodorant, hand sanitizer, granola bars, toothbrushes, toothpaste, bottled water, and more. They started out by making just a few blessing bags with friends and family. 8 years later, Jahkil's blessing bags have helped more than 50,000 men, women, and children in his community and all over the world. He even created his own nonprofit organization called Project I Am, and wrote his own picture book titled I Am. Jahkil is determined to inspire other kids to spread kindness and to get involved in their communities. He says, "Don't wait to be great." Friends, that means even you can make a difference by being kind. Jahkil's story is an excellent example of how simple acts of kindness can make a big difference. I hope his story has inspired all of you to be kind. You know what? This is a great time for our kindness song. Your teacher can help you sing along. Ready? Let's go.
Showing kindness is easy. Use your manners and you will succeed. Smile, listen, and be sweet. You can help a friend in need. Share and give compliments too. Be
everyone! Now, friends, can you think of ways you can use kindness in the classroom or in your community? Your teacher will pause the video now, and you can raise your hand to share with the class. Now let's look at some other examples of kindness. Did you know that kind words have a lot of power? Sarada is giving a compliment to a friend. Not only are compliments free to give, you never know what your kind words will mean to someone. Logan is showing kindness to her community and to the planet by picking up trash. And look, it's inspiring other kids to pick up trash too. That's all we have time for today, Bobby and Jayla. But before we go, can you tell me what you learned from today's lesson? Go ahead, Jayla.
I learned that making a difference doesn't have to be hard. We can help people just by being kind. And that one act of kindness can turn into lots of kindness. Kind of like how Jahkil's kindness has spread all over the world.
Very good, Jayla. When we're kind, it inspires others to be kind too. What about you, Bobby?
I learned a lot, Miss Sara. I want to be kind to everyone I meet. Jahkil inspired me to create my own blessing bags to help the homeless in my community. I'm going to ask my parents to help me make them. I'm so excited to help people.
I'm proud of you, Bobby. I have a feeling your kindness is going to make a big difference. Goodbye, you two.
Goodbye, Miss Sara.
Hi, Gray Squirrel. What is that you have there?
Jahkil's kindness inspired me to make my own blessing bags for my animal friends in need. They're full of acorns, bird seeds, and other important things. Would you like to help me pass them out, Miss Sara?
I'd love to help you pass them out. I am so glad that Jahkil's kindness inspired you to spread kindness. That's what kindness is all about. Friends, today we've learned about the power of kindness and the difference it makes in the lives of others. Remember to show kindness as your own character tree grows, and always fill your days with learning and wonder.